Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I get the following one error notification while I try to upload the one image file in Instagram story and it shows unable to load image, and this error message again and again occurs to me while I try to access the gallery via Instagram app. So how to fix this issue? So very simple method to fix this error is just long press on that Instagram app icon and go to app info. So here I try to access app permissions and then check it if all the permissions are allowed or not. So once you check it and go to restrict data usage. So here I try to untick all the options and don't forget to save these changes. But some YouTube video shows if you get this message, just one time clear that Insta app data and then this problem is fixed. So my suggestion is don't clear that Insta app data and this is waste of time. So anyway, once you done this I mentioned steps and close all the windows and also check it if your app is updated to the new version or not. So once you check it and then try to upload your new image file to your Instagram story section. So I hope now this time it does not show that previously occurred error message. So anyway, if maybe this trick not works for you, just try the second method. And the second method is just create the Instagram as a clone app. So how to do it? So just open your settings menu and then search Dual Apps and click to open it. So here you can locate your Instagram app and simply tap on it and also tick to enable this option Dual Apps and close all the windows. And here you can see this is my newly created Instagram clone app. So next time if you use your Instagram app, just use this Instagram Dual app, and this app also not showing that kind of error message. So if maybe again it shows that same error message, just comment to me. I give some more ideas to fix this issue. So otherwise just leave a one like. So for more tech videos you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.